What today? Doing pretty not dandy myself. I am getting over a cold, probably a cold. If it was a flu, it'd be a little different. So, been getting over the flu, cold. I messed it up again. You can tell I'm kind of scrambled. So yeah, Meow Yun was quite sick for a while. I did everything in my power to not get sick from her. I took care of her and helped her out, and well, now I'm sick now, and she's making homemade beef soup, and it's very good, and that's the best part of being sick, is she's good at taking care of you. So yes, not so dandy, but all that whining aside, let's move on. So, today's video, we are going to be doing another loot box unboxing. This is the February Loot Crate loot box, obviously. So we're going to unbox this bad boy. So this will probably be my last Loot Crate unboxing. I'm probably going to move on to the Gaming Crate or the Anime Crate, just because I just want to get different stuff. And as you guys can see, I've been having Loot Crate for probably almost 2 years now, and I'm ready to move on to some different cool stuff that might be more my speed, if you will. So, hang on a second here. And then I have a special surprise after. Alright. Okay, here we go. Alright. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's like a vault. Opens up. Alright, so let's see what we got. Sorry, I was trying to make that Black Panther sound effect every time he comes in on, yeah, whatever. So yeah, looks like we got a Black Panther t-shirt here. Not too shabby. Check it out, check it out. It's a large. Put this over here. What else we got? How to Train Your Dragon loot pin. Not too bad. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, I like these. So these are Pacific Rim coasters. Actually, that's kind of funny because the other day, or other video, I was talking about what movie Guillermo del Toro did that I was trying to think of that had robots inside of Pacific Rim, which I really like that movie. This is the sequel, which really, obviously, he doesn't have much, as much of a role in, but they're pretty cool. Actually, you can see I think I like those other coasters I had better than the metal can, but not bad, not bad. That's kind of cool. Oh, sweet. I don't know what the expanse is actually, but it's kind of tight. Put that together now, actually. Do I want to or not? That's pretty cool. I'm not like a. I wish I was a fan though, because that's a. I feel like I would really like this if I liked this movie or show or whatever it was. So, I'll check that out later. Got a poster. It appears. Alright, what's this? Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like Fallout. NASA! Alright, well, I mean, if you guys want this coupon, you can have it. So it's a 10% off, looks like, if you guys want to do it. LootCrate.com/Fallout. Get 10% off when you use code FalloutCrate10 at checkout. That's FalloutCrate10 at checkout, which will get you the Fallout crate. You can see the codes right there if you want it. That's kind of cool, actually. So, a little gift from Josh Show Meow to y'all. I don't think I'll be able to get this back in there, though. Circle and square peg does not work for me. Alright. What else do we got here? The same old stuff here. So it kind of gives you the idea of the stuff that you have. Not bad, not bad. And then it has this whole vault thing kind of going on. I kind of like that, actually. That's pretty cool. So yeah, not a bad box. Again, so you guys can see why I'm thinking about moving on to other stuff, because Black Panther movie was pretty cool. Not a huge, like, I wasn't a super fan, so I'm not gonna be like wearing that shirt. So I wouldn't wear this. How to Train Your Dragon. I haven't ever used a loot pin before. If you guys have any idea what they're good for, you can let me know. I have like probably like 50 of these. I like the coasters. This is cool, but I don't. If it was like the airship from Final Fantasy VII, right? Then I'd be like, what? That's crazy. Or the one at Ragnarok from Final Fantasy VIII, or the one from Final Fantasy IX, or something gaming related. I'd really dig this. Or even like the spaceship from what's that movie called? Oh dang it, it's really good. Serenity. This was Serenity. I'd like that, but I don't know what the Expanse is, so that's like meh. So the only thing I really like out of this whole box was this coaster, so I paid $25 for coasters. So that's why I'm going to move on to different stuff. But I'd give this box on its own merits probably a 7 out of 10. Mainly because I can tell this is really cool. So, alright. So, something else I'm moving on to. I might be doing a giveaway, Loot Crate giveaway. So I have a ton of items here that I'm going to be putting out here for you guys. Now I have so many Loot Crate items, it's not even funny. So what I'm going to do, so you might see this happen, you might not. So let me just give me a moment here to stack all these bad boys up. We're gonna go ahead and give you all these with the calendar and the comic and the Freddy Krueger chopstick claws. And this R2-D2 puzzle. I'm going to throw in this Black Panther t-shirt. Why the heck not? And, yeah, I'll throw in the loot pin. So this whole bunch of stuff here is going to be a giveaway. Now, what I'm going to do is, it may happen or it may not happen. There's a couple of stipulations. So the first one is I definitely want this video to hit 10,000 views. A lot of my videos for a while were hitting 10,000 views. YouTube started stealing my views, which I'll make a new video about that later on. They go back and forth. They'll go up to 9, they'll drop down to 5, they'll go from 3 to 1,000. Like, it's just crazy. I have a video a couple weeks ago, that water video, Shape of Water. It went up to 4,000, down to 1,000, down to 100, up to 3,000, down to 600. I've been taking screenshots to show you guys. It's crazy. They've been doing that to my parade video too, so YouTube's on my ass about something, and it's really aggravating. But if this stays at eventually within the next week or two, gets to 10,000 views and stays that way, I do want to see some likes and comments. I'm going to be doing a giveaway to a random person, so just comment something along the lines about this video, and that you want the box to count me in or something like that, and I'll put you in on the drawing to give away. But we have to hit those stipulations. So share, 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 like, comment, 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 and if you're interested, obviously let me know. If this is something you guys think is really cool, then I'll do more, because I've got mountains of Loot Crate stuff that I don't even use. And I thought about reselling some of it, and sometimes I sell it on occasion, sometimes I really like it and keep it, and sometimes it literally just stacks up in a giant shelf I have with, I mean, it's crazy. I mean, here is a giant bag of Loot Crate stuff that was filled with all that stuff, and then it's still pretty filled up. So yeah, I have a lot of Loot Crate stuff I need to get rid of, so why not give it away to the fans? So, yeah, 10,000 views, lots of comments and likes. Let me know if you're interested in winning. I would say we're going to give it a 2-week deadline, and then on that second week, so March 18th, I will see what the results are. And then I will put everyone who said they wanted it in the comments in a randomized drawer, and I'll pick your name out and let you guys know who won, and obviously you'll be good to go. So, other than that, thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We will have a... I really want to do a movie review. I just watched this movie called Game Night. It was so great, but I don't think I'll end up doing a movie review on that, because by the time next week rolls around, I'll be kind of old, but maybe. We also have a new Is It Worth It coming up that we'll be doing as well, and some other brands and products we'll be testing out in the near future as well. So, if you guys have any questions, concerns, or need anything, give me a holler. Other than that, toss a comment in there saying you want to be part of this drawing. And I hope you guys all have a dandy night, meow. And I will see you guys all next Sunday. Adios.